Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Melvin Williams coming to you with another video. I am currently at the construction site of the future home of Praise Cathedral Church of God in Christ. Just wanted to come out and do another quick video to show everyone exactly where we are in reference to the construction of our new church, and to show what progress has been made to date. As you can see, quite a bit of work has been done. I'm going to try to zoom in to show some of the internal ductwork for the air conditioning and heating units. Quite a bit of the ductwork is installed. And things are moving along quite nicely. Since my last video, the building that's in focus right now was not constructed when I was out here the last time. I'm not really sure what this particular structure is, but and there's another structure on the rear of the facility that I can't get a good shot of from this vantage point. I'm not really sure what that's going to be as well. But as you can see, this is a very, very large building. You can't really appreciate how large it is until you're standing right in front of it. And the size really just kind of looms out at you. There are some construction workers here today. They're working on the building in the rear, and things are moving along quite nicely. I have moved my position to a little bit to the side of the structure to give another viewpoint of the construction area. Standing right outside of the main gate that goes into the area. This area is adjacent to the main building. It appears to be a foundation of something that is going to be constructed there in the future. Again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to pan the area and try to give you the best shot that I can on the construction that's going on. I'm going to close this video down, ladies and gentlemen, but I always like to give a good picture of what the final building is going to look like. This is the architect's drawing of the future of Praise Cathedral Church of God in Christ. Beautiful building. I'm going to close this video down, ladies and gentlemen. This is volume 4. This is a shot, ladies and gentlemen, of the building, the architect's drawing of how the facility is going to look.